Now read aloud the central statement and the responses in A and B. The situation is, our team has won the match. Now the responses. Enthusiastic. Wow! Great news! We are so proud of you. Sarcastic. I know. Your uncle was the umpire, right? Indifferent. So what? Neutral. I see. Congrats. Attentive. Oh, congratulations. Well done. That means for one situation there are different responses. Point 2. The Welcome. Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore was a great writer, musician and thinker. He is known for his songs, poems, novels, etc. The Welcome is a funny one-act play in which a young man wants to tell the people in his village that he has passed MA, but everybody talks to him about his cat. Have you ever had such an experience? Then let's enjoy this. Scene 1. A village road. Chaturbhuj Babu has come back to the village after passing his MA examinations, hoping that everyone will make a great fuss over him. There is a plump Afghan cat with him. Enters Neel Ratan. Hello Chatur Babu. When did you arrive? Directly after the MA exams. Oh, you have got a fine cat. This year the exams were... Where did you find that cat? The subjects I had offered. How much did you pay for this cat? I don't remember. Has anybody passed any exams in our village? Lots of them. But you won't see a cat like that in these parts. Chaturbhuj, it doesn't seem to matter that I have just passed my MA. Everybody is praising the cat only. Zamindar comes. Chaturbhuj, what have you been doing in Calcutta all this time? I have just finished my MA. Oh, this cat of yours is very, very beautiful. Drop to my place with your cat. My boys would be delighted. Even if you can't come yourself, send this cat to my place. Uncle Santu enters. How are you, my boy? Where were you? There were so many examinations. This cat of yours is really beautiful. Chaturbhuj, I am going home. It's education that is ruining these young people. Scene 2. Inside Chaturbhuj's house. Maid, mother, Dada Babu has come home in a blazing temper. Why? I don't know. Dada, can I have this cat? Cat, cat, cat. The whole day long, is it? Mother, let me have that cat, son. I will give it some rice and milk. Chaturbhuj. Here, mother, I am leaving at once. Mother. What makes you say such a thing? Your meal is ready. No, I am leaving. You are all crazy about cats. Don't hurt the cat. What a big fat tail. Ooh, so nice. Scene 3. On the road. Sir, where is that cat of yours? It's dead. How sad. What's happened to your cat? It's dead. The same way all of you will die. Chaturbhuj goes away. A swarm of urchins run after Chaturbhuj, clapping and teasing him. Pussycat, 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 pussycat. That means, children, nobody is interested in the education of Chaturbhuj, but everybody was interested in cat only. Language study. Auxiliary verb be, be. Be plus main verb, that is verb plus ing, shows that the action is or was not complete. It goes on. This is known as the progressive or continuous tense. It may be present progressive or it may be past progressive. In both the cases, be plus main verb, that is V plus ing. I am writing, present progressive. I was writing, past progressive. You are reading, present progressive. You were reading, past progressive. Then auxiliary verb have. Have plus main verb, that is V plus ed or en, shows that the action about which we are talking now is or was complete. This is known as perfect tense. So, present perfect tense means have or has plus main verb. Past perfect means had plus main verb. I have seen the film. Present perfect. I had seen the film. Past perfect. They have gone back. Present perfect. They had gone back. Past perfect. Many verbs have separate forms for the past and the perfect. So these are the examples. See, saw, seen. Do, did, done. Go, went, gone. Write, wrote, written. Sing, sang, sung. Give, gave, given. Take, took, taken.